Hi, I'm Hitesh Patel and I work for Lentry International, who are presenting these series of videos. I work as a lead architect, a consultant and a senior coach. In these series of videos, we're presenting ITIL version 4, or as we know it now as ITIL 4, as you will know by watching these series of videos. In these series of videos, we'll be talking about a lot of the questions that you might want answers to. Some of these key questions might be, what does ITIL 4 mean to the organization? Why the series of changes? And what does this mean in an era of digital transformation? So we can hear a car alarm in the background. So while my car is being broken into as we speak, what are you going to do actually to avoid ITIL 4 crashing? What would you say is the one key thing that you'll be doing?
One key thing is to put in a culture of continual improvement within product development. We recognize that businesses operate in a very volatile, uncertain, complex and ambiguous ecosystem today. Yeah. Things change, if not on a daily basis, then certainly on a monthly basis. And we need to be constantly out there engaged with our practitioners and bringing back the continual learning to influence our product development. And so if there was one thing I had to be pressed on, I would say it's continual improvement.
Great. And the final question, we were just mentioning just before we started today about how we're jumping from hotel to hotel, flights to flights, and how busy we were over the next year. I know why I'll be busy, which is trying to drive transformation in organizations, looking to endorse and embrace service management. But what are you going to be doing in the next 12 months? It's quite interesting what you were sharing.
So there's certainly a fair amount of travel coming up. There's going to be various conferences and events around the world where, as product ambassador, I will be promoting ITIL 4 and launching ITIL 4, but equally talking about why ITIL v3 is still relevant. Yeah. And how it still benefits organizations and learners today. Besides that, I will be working on continuing the ITIL 4 development journey and working on some of the other certifications that you've probably already shared with your customers. And I look forward to actually talking about those in a lot more depth at some point next year.
Perfect. Thank you for your time, Akshay. Appreciate it.
Thank you very much.